making milk fireworks.
Today you're going to make milk fireworks, Maci? Welcome back, everyone. Maci is here. She is ready to do another experiment. Maci, what do you need to make milk fireworks?
Milk and Q-tip and the soap.
Food coloring. Alright, so Maci says that you will need milk, Q-tips, dish soap, food coloring, and a plate. Maci, have you ever done this experiment before? No. Are you nervous? No. Alright. Maci, go ahead and start with pouring your milk on the plate. Good. Pour it all on there. Okay. Maci has poured all of the milk on the plate. Alright, Maci. I think now we should add a couple drops of food coloring.
Okay, I'll do this color first.
Okay, you can do yellow first.
Wow!
Okay. Now pick another color and put it next to those dots, but not on it. What color are you going to do now?
Red.
Red. Okay, add a couple red next to those yellow drops. Yeah, you have to pull the cap off. Do you need help? Nope, you got it. Okay, next to the yellow ones. Closer. Okay, let's try another color.
Okay, I'll do some red. Step back on yellow. Now some blue. Oh, there.
Hurry up, it's starting to spread. You gotta pull it off, right?
Got it.
Hurry up. Good job. Alright, just put that down. Grab your green. Grab your green, Maci.
Now the green.
And your green. Alright, now what do you have to do, Maci? Dip your Q-tip in the dish soap. Okay. Yep, dip it in there. Wiggle it all around in there. Really get it on. Good job. Alright, Maci. I think it's time. What happened? Whoa! Maci, what did you do?
Yay!
What'd you do, Mace?
I did it!
You did it? Good job! Alright guys, so Maci has just done her first milk fireworks. She liked it so much that we're actually going to try again. Maci, are we going to do this again?
Milk.
We're going to pour the milk on the plate.
I want milk.
That's a lot of milk. Good job. Now what do we have to do, Maci?
Milk.
And now you got to grab your food coloring.
Do a couple drops. Yeah.
Okay, do a couple drops.
I'll do some right here starting to spread out.
Okay, so we did blue, we did red. Maci says the blue is starting to spread out, so she's trying to do it a little quicker. Maci, I think you should put the green next to them. Okay, in a line. We can try it.
Okay.
All right, Maci, so now what do we do?
Dip the Q-tip there.
Dip the Q-tip in the dish soap, okay. Wow. That's pretty cool. Maci, what did you just do? A milk firework?